I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a full face of Covergirl makeup. They recently sent me over a package and that just like sparked the need and the want and the desire to create a full face because I have quite a few products from them, and they also added this stunning little quad which we did use on the eyes today. We have a couple of their skin enhancers that we used today, so a lot of the products obviously were sent to me, and then I also did add some of my own faves in the place of products that I don't already have from Covergirl. So if you want to see how I got this look, what's going on, what's happening, the products that I love, the products that I hated, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take the Disney Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas Under Eye Sheet Masks. These are so cute, and these are from Mad Beauty. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, I can't believe I hadn't used these before, girl. They were just like sitting there. I was like, oh, it's probably just like the packaging and they're probably just gonna be like a generic like white color or whatever, but no, look at that. That is so cute. Next, I'm gonna take the Covergirl Clean Fresh Balm. This is a lip balm, tinted lip balm with hyaluronic acid from Covergirl, and this is in shade Bliss You Berry. So to be honest, I was looking through my collection. I thought I had a lip balm or some kind of like lip gloss or something that I can use for this occasion or this part of the video, and I did not. So I went to my sister's room and she had it. It's a tinted lip balm. That's such a stunning color too. Cute. It's like this beautiful like berry tone. Love it. Love the packaging. Okay, now we're moving on to eyebrows. These are products that I've actually shown on my channel before. It's been like a couple months now. This is the Covergirl Clean Fresh Brow, what do you call it? Brow liner. This is a 1mm nano pencil, and it's in the shade dark brown. We also do have this Clean Fresh brow filler, and this one's also in the shade dark brown. So we're gonna go ahead and use these two today. The nano to line the brows, and then the other one to fill in. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so next going in with this one. This actually does come with a little like paddle brush on one end, and then we get like a teardrop shaped product. So I'm gonna take this on the inner portion of the brow. We're gonna use this to fill in, and then we're gonna use the paddle brush to blend everything out. We're gonna go ahead and remove these. These are so cute, girl. I'm so glad that I finally tried those out. Too cute. Next, for primer, I did go ahead and choose one for today. This is the Covergirl Trublend Skin Enhancer Primer in the shade Sticky Grip. So they did come out with a couple of different shades, as you guys know. Well, shades. A couple of different primers, but I wanted to try out this sticky one. I've had this one for a while. They did go ahead and send me a package, I guess a couple months ago or something, with this product. It does come with a pump, and took it on the hand, and let's go ahead and spread this out. And one of the primers I did pull from my Shop My Stash, if you guys watched that. They're actually really good. They also came out with some like pearly ones that you can use to illuminate under your makeup. It's like really stunning. It's gonna be perfect for summer. But this one I'm sure is very popular because it's that sticky kind of formula that everybody wants under their foundation to keep everything, you know, from moving on the face. So this one's amazing. You could already feel the stickiness, girl. Yes. We have their foundation. This is the Covergirl Clean Invisible foundation in the shade Golden Natural. I don't remember using this per se. Like, I don't remember what my thoughts were, but I'm sure I did already use this once or twice. So this is the first impressions again, girl, because my memory sucks. So this is how the applicator looks. I finally switched out my sponge. Now we're using the Shop My Stash sponge. Well, let's go to town. This is such a light coverage product. It's like really lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's a little hydrating as well. Interesting. So it says it is a vegan. So it has a buildable coverage, skin-like finish, clean, lightweight formula, blends easily and melts into the skin, so it looks and feels like your skin but better. Yes, giving that vibe. Won't clog your pores. Okay. So I'm going to take a little more on my sponge and try to build it up just a little bit. Ooh, it's giving me like a nice, like natural glow from within kind of vibe, right? That is really nice. Okay, love. I wish the shade was a little darker. I need to go like a shade down. So we also have these products. I think these are like newer to their line. These cream products. I've been loving these. So these are called like these. I'm like keeping you guys on the edge. This is a Covergirl Trublend Skin Enhancer Contour Balm. We have their blush balm and their highlight balm. So this is in the shade Snatched. So we're gonna use this for sure. I'm gonna build that up, girl, because we're looking a little pale vibes. So I'm just gonna pack that on a little bit right here as well. These blend out so quickly. Yes, I'm gonna have to go back with my sponge to diffuse, but love these, especially their blushes and the blush balms. So good. For the blush, we're gonna take the blush balm in the shade Radiant Peach. I have not used this at all. So this beautiful like orangey tone. I'm gonna pat this out. Their blushes, girl, they have like this bright pink tone. They have like a purple tone that I use in another video. I'm trying to remember which one it was. It must have been my PR full face or something. And girl, amazing. Next, taking their highlight balm, right? Pearl highlight balm in the shade Moonlight. And these, like if you do run out, whatever, you can twist to make it go back up. This is more of the golden one. I also have a pearly, like white shade, I believe. This one's really nice. Oh, pretty. Yes. For concealer, we have their Simply Ageless Triple Action Concealer. So this is actually one that was sent a while back. This is in the shade Buff Beige. And this, I don't know if you guys remember, there was one that had like this plastic applicator that's meant to give you like a cooling effect when you're applying it. I remember really being skeptical about it, but actually it working really well for me. So I'm gonna do one eye at a time so we can see if it actually does something for us. Like I remember liking it, like being blown away by it. Also, I did build it up, but already it's like looking good. And as for the applicator, it's really interesting. You do have to keep going back and forth into the product, but it feels so good on the under eyes. Ooh. Okay. Yes. Love that. Okay, let's do the other eye. You know what song randomly popped into my head? The song of when they're flying through the sky in Peter Pan. And they're like, we can fly, we can fly. Why is that stuck in my head? That's so random. Okay, there's the concealer. Looks good. For powders, I didn't have any from Covergirl, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Lee Cover products from Temu. We have their Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder in 04, and then as well as, girl, I cannot read this, what? Makeup Setting Powder in the shade 3. You guys know I love these products. They're like, at the end, girl, amazing. I'm just going to use this one on the T-zone area. Taking the other powder on the outer parts of the face. I went back with the Micro Brow Pencil, filled in the brows a little more. We also have this product. This is the Clean Fresh Brow Enhancer, and it's their gel wax for the brows in the shade Dark Brown. I loved their clear one, so let's see how this one works. I don't want to do too much in case it's like really pigmented. Ooh, Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's like lightweight. Okay, let's do that. Just a little swipe through the brows. So for the face products, also didn't have anything from Covergirl, so I'm going to go ahead and take some of my Away Studio products to do the like powder products on the face. We have the Away Studio Perfect Bronzer Powder in the shade Latte. I do a lot of Miss A videos as well on my channel. Want to check that out. We have the Everglow Highlight. This is the one in Morningstar that I pulled for my Shop My Stash this month. So we're going to take that. It's like an orangey kind of vibe. And throw that in the inner corner. Next, we're going to take the Away Studio Perfect Blush in the shade Auburn. It's like this beautiful orangey tone. This one's like really pigmented, girl. I'm going to do lips now that we're here. I'm going to take my JCat Roll It Up Auto Lip Liner in the shade Brown. Alright, so next we have the Covergirl Liquid Lipstick in the shade... No idea. But this is the one that comes with like a lip balm. It's like a set. Next, I'm going to take the Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss in the shade My Strawbooty. Hey, cute. Look at how beautiful this is. Like, let me double check that. No, it's called My Strawbooty. Okay, number 600. Like, am I seeing things? No. Ooh. Okay. Cute. It smells really good. Yes. Okay. Strawbooty. Cute. Love it. For eyes, next I'm going to take the Perfect Point Plus Ink Gel Eye Pencil in the shade Matte Jet Black. They actually just sent this over in their last package alongside a like eyeshadow palette, a liquid liner, some eyeshadow sticks, mascaras. So that's what we're going to be using in this last portion. So there's a look at that. It also does come with the smudger side. Ooh. So this eyeshadow palette came in the package as well. The Eye Enhancer in Night Sky. It's a little mini quad. That's how that looks. Also does come with a little like sponge applicator, which we may use, who knows. Let's go ahead and swatch the 4 shades. Ooh. Okay, love that. I'm gonna take that light blue tone first. I'm like, is this a shimmer or a matte? It looks shimmery. Okay. Just gonna pat that on here. On the lid. It's like really pigmented, girl. Oh my god. It's gonna be such a quick look. I'm gonna take the dark brown next on the outer eye. I'm gonna take some of the dark brown on the lower lash line as well, just to smoke it out. It's pretty much everything we're gonna do with the palette. That looks so good. Ooh. Yes. I'm going to take the Eye Enhancer Lash Enhancing Liquid Eyeliner. Oh, interesting. Lash Enhancing. Precision Felt Flex Tip with a smooth glide and stays put. Huh. I wonder what it says about the lashes. That's interesting. A lash enhancing. So it says it's infused with provitamin B5 and aloe. It's a quick, easy liquid liner and enhances appearance of lashes while providing instant definition. Interesting. So this is in the shade Matte Black. There's a look at the liner. I'm going to go ahead and create a wing with this. Ooh. Didn't use their cream shadows. These are their Clean Color eye colors. Amazing shades. I actually just watched them in that hour-long video that I did recently. Amazing. We're going to use them in a different video, but let's go ahead and create a wing with this product. I think I'm also going to take the LA Colors Metallic Liquid Liner and do a little bit over top the liquid liner in the shade Twilight Blue. And next we're going to take their mascara. This is actually one of their newer mascaras, I believe. This is their Super Cloud Mascara Lash Blast in the shade Super Black. They also did send a brown one over. Look at how cute this packaging is. Ooh, stunning. Okay. Oh my gosh, love that. Go ahead and throw this on. Now that we're here, I'm just gonna go ahead and set the face before I throw on my lashes. I don't have a Covergirl setting spray, so I'm gonna use my Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. You guys know how much I love. A little scared to apply just now because I just applied my mascara. So this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I really love how everything came out. I'm living for like the blue shimmer on the lid. It's just like really standing out. The purple line above the liquid liner. Did I say purple? The blue line above the liner actually did add a little something, you know. Oh, I forgot to mention, I switched out my lip. I wasn't living for it, so I did go ahead and switch out the lip for a nude one, but now like everything just looks amazing. So real quick, I loved the eyeshadow palette. I'm definitely gonna reach for it if I don't lose it in my collection. This is so cute. Loved working with this. It only took 2 shades to create this look, so love that. These skin enhancers, girl, I recommend you try them out. If not, the liquid highlights, definitely try out their blushes. Their blush bombs are amazing and they come in a bunch of different shades. Love, 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 love. We have their clean fresh brow little moment. This is their brow enhancer in the shade dark brown. I thought this was cute, quick and easy. Was not gloopy at all, didn't mess with my brows. I get scared on using eyebrow like sets that are colored, just because they always tend to get on the skin and then you can see where you place it, opposed to like a clear one. You can kind of like throw it on and nobody cares, right? But when it comes to a colored one, it kind of always gets like on the face, but not today. This is actually really good. And then their mascara, the Super Cloud, girl, this blew me away. I'm definitely gonna have to reach for this again in another video, but I love the wand. It worked amazing for the upper and the lower lashes. I liked how it was like really grabbing onto my lashes while I was applying it, so I really was impressed by this one. This one's good. And lastly, their like gel liner and their liquid liner. You guys know I live for a good liquid liner, and this one was it, girl. Love the wings. It was so quick and easy to throw on. The gel liner looks amazing on the lower lashes. Love them both. And that was actually it. Those are all the products, all the new products that I use today. The other products I've used in the past, the foundation, all that. But there's a quick look again at the face. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you own any of these products? What's your favorite Covergirl product? Let me know down Let me know down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.